Here's your ticket.
Cool.
Here.
Oh, that's cool. Can I come sit with you
What?
over there?
I'm gonna go sit over.
All right.
Cover, bud.
Alright.
Hey, can I sit with you? Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thanks.
It's a little tight in these seats.
Yeah, no.
You know what I mean?
I know it's a little tight for me, but down.
What seat, Tina?
What a room.
Huh? This is crazy. The train that the metro seat, Tina.
Yeah, it's like.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, it looks like match on the
Hold
wall.
on to your tickets. Our conductor will come through in a little while.
Okay.
Where are you guys from?
Hudson area.
Where?
Hudson area.
Oh, the Hudson area.
Yeah.
I've been there.
I've been from Ankrum, New York, like on the border of Massachusetts
Right on
and
the border.
yeah. And I'm at the very bottom of Columbia County.
Nice. I like that.
You want to sit down? Got any special place?
Any place you want to sit. We got room.
This.
Anywhere you want to sit.
I'm gonna should sit this way to look forward now. Yeah. You wanna
Well,
see?
we're going to travel this way, so
Yeah, I want to see where I'm going. We're going that way?
we're
going this way?
heading this way.
We're gonna I know, so there you go. You're either go back.
Anywhere back, we're heading north.
Stop it. How are they?
Hey, this is match on the wall.
First time on here.
Mind you. Yeah.
This is fun.
I don't know.
I'm not for you still kick up. Oh, you fell.
It's all right. What's up, buddy? Hold
That's
up.
for my scooter. That's for my scooter. Over yours. You over yours. Over yours. Over yours. Thank you. No problem. If I have to.
You see the guy?
Whoa.
Don't want any accidents.
No.
I've been on this. This is just like ain't match on the wall.
Like a happy crew.
It's just like match on the wall. And I've been on that train.
Who could ever they want to come on the tour? Huh?
I do on that train again.
Has anybody ever ridden on a Bud car before?
I've never
No.
been on anything
No.
like
What this is a Bud car. It's a rail, it's called a rail diesel car, RDC.
Never heard of it. Never
Well,
even.
I'll tell you about it in a few minutes. We want to welcome everybody aboard today.
Thank you.
Berkshire Scenic Railroad Museum is able to provide these rides with the cooperation of the Massachusetts Department of Transportation, cooperation with the city of North Adams and the town of Adams, where we're going to end our 4-mile journey there and then return. Find a seat anywhere, folks. And this is our second season of it.
Oh, this is great.
We've been well received. We're going to have special. We'll have special programs throughout the period from now to December. So watch for them. You might want to come to a cafe night or the Christmas period with the tinsel line running. I think you'll have a lot of fun. Most
Did you
people
say
have
Christmas?
Christmas, we'll have a tinsel line. That's what we call it.
Oh, and what is
It's
that?
all decorated for
Oh, very nice.
Santa Claus makes a trip down there
Oh,
at the
nice.
proper time.
Oh, nice.
For all the good people who come in.
Oh, yay.
This car's,
How old is this car?
this car, well, let's see. It was made in 1955.
Wow.
An idea. And it served on the Boston Transportation Authority till 1989. And then it was put on reserve for junk pile or whatever. And we acquired it in 2014. And our mechanics were able to restore it to its ability to run now the way we want it to.
Wow, that's
We
amazing.
still have, problems we want to fix, but for all intents and purposes, we're rail worthy and we're having a good time with it.
That's great.
And word has it that we're going to get an additional car.
20 minutes? Yeah, okay. Try to.
the word Hoosic means. The word Hoosic is a Indian name. Its general meaning is area of many stones. And so, if you've ever had to dig a garden around here, you know what it means. There's stones and boulders everywhere. Thanks to the glaciers from the last ice age, they dragged all this rocky stuff down from southern Canada across our area.
Did you want to come with me and take some pictures of the heck?
Yeah.
As long as one of us is back here, you can come back here.
Yeah.
I'm in your shot, just tell me to move, we'll get out of your way.
All right.
I think you'll get a nice shot over here too of the mountain if you want.
Yeah.
You get a good shot of the mountain back here.
Wow.
Stop down here at the workplace. I'm going to have to get a neighbor to it. I'm talking to the neighbor.
Yeah, as long as we go to the bushes, unless we have a key to the bathroom.
All this guy's mom and this one.
Alright. Hey Tom, and on the way back, the air conditioner doesn't kick on. We'll open the doors maybe. Yeah, it's getting a little toasty in there.
How's it not? Has it kicked on?
It needs to get to a certain temperature before it'll kick on. It's really humid in there. It doesn't sense humidity. It only senses temperature.
You're right. You can go ahead and say that.
Okay. Close the door and turn the air conditioning on, and you stand there for 15 minutes. It's the same thing. This is pitch black.
Yup. Don't even know.
Yeah. Close the door and turn the air conditioning on, and you stand there for 15 minutes. It's the same thing. This is pitch black.
Yup. Don't even know.
Yeah.
You never know what you're going to see. In this case, most of this area is heavily wooded with brush and whatever. Whereas the next mile of the
Back down to Main Street, going west on Route 2. It's only about half a mile or so toward Williamstown. On the left, you'll see a sign that says Greylock Reservation, and you can drive your car right up there. It'll probably take you about a half an hour.
in 1797, he did not found the beer company. He was already gone. And how many of you have ever heard of Susan B. Anthony? A couple ladies have heard about Susan B. Anthony. Susan B. Anthony, woman who fought for women's right to vote. She was born in Adams.
Wow.
And there is a Susan B. Anthony museum at her homestead where she lived on East Road in Adams. And you can go there. You have to get into the center of Adams and follow the signs to get you up to East Road. Adams is most noted for the Berkshire Cock Manufacturing Company, which went out of business in 1956. There were 5 large mills, each a separate operation in the production of cotton. And back in the day, they were one of top of Mount Greylock, there is a restaurant. There is a restaurant right on top of Mount Greylock, and they also accommodate people who want to sleep over on top of the mountain.
Good job. That's funny.
Got some fresh air going through anyway.
Well, in any case, in 1932, there was a proposal to build a lighthouse for Boston Harbor, an observation light for the harbor. It was made out of granite, and ultimately it was an argument over where it was going to be. And the war veterans decided it should be on top of Mount Greylock, where the beacon of light could shine forever over the landscape. So that was put up on Mount Greylock in 1932, and it has been thoroughly renovated at least twice in the last 50 years. Because of weather conditions that get so extreme, the granite blocks have to be reset and remortared so that everything works fine. There's always a lot of frost on the inside, ice accumulates inside, so they have to work on that. But it's all beautiful now, and you go up and enjoy it. And you can look out over the Hoosic Valley, and you can see the 5 states on a really good day. They've got telescopes up there to peek around.
I didn't know yet when it was clear.
They blew it again. They blew it again.
They notice that the train has to make a particular pattern of signal when going across a public highway like this. That is a federal regulation for all railroads across the country. Better? Okay, good. Back in the 30s, 1930s, New York City and the people who lived up here sponsored ski trains that would come all the way from New York City to ski on the Thunderbolt. A lot of crossings done.
They did it again. They blew it again.
Okay, anyway, I was going to say that people came from all over to ski on the famous Thunderbolt ski trail, which is on the east slope of Mount Greylock. And for a long time, it got into disuse. Now it's back into repair on the lower edges. So they have ski races and activities up there on the mountain. When they have snow, yes. Our Thunderfest got snowed out twice. Well, it rained out, I should say. So we have a Thunderbolt museum there that you can go into right across from our new railroad station at Hoosic Street. I mentioned Adams as a town of villages. I'll give you an example. Salinite is a northern village. Renfrew is kind of almost northern. Arnoldville is on the south end of Adams. Little Egypt is up on the east slopes of Hoosic Mountain. Sixville is at the foot of Mount Greylock. There's a Maple Grove that's down in the south part of Adams. And then there's the Adams Center. And of course there's one section some people call Bedbug Hollow. That's down near Lime Street. That's the end of the town almost. How's the air in here? Is that better? You feel a lot cooler now? Yeah. All right. Good. Okay. Now, as we're going north here, we're traveling parallel to mountain range off to your left of our forward motion. And just wanted to say, the Hoosic Tunnel was officially opened and dedicated in 1875, but it was first chartered in 1841. Construction did not start until 1851, and it took 25 years to complete. It's 4 3/4 miles long, and nearly 200 men lost their lives there from one cause or another. It was served by the Boston Albany Railroad, and it opened up officially in 1873.
They would. They blew it. Again. They blew it.
Off to your left, off to your right, excuse me. No, we're going for me. Everybody happy?
Yes, we are.
There you go. How you happy? Put your hand up if you're happy. All right, yay! Okay. Yeah, okay.
I am. I did not want to release my show tonight. They still use that tunnel?
All right, we're trying to change the air in here, so.
Do they still use the tunnel?
Do they still use the tunnel? Absolutely. There's sometimes 4 to 6 trains at least that go through that tunnel every day. And they're long trains. Very frequently when we're starting our run in the morning on the weekend, there's a unit train carrying their old automobile carriers. They're empties going back to the Midwest. There might be 60 or 75 cars on that train. You know, so they'll park down where we are for an hour or so before they go through. But yeah, that's very much in play today. It's made Boston a major competitive seaport as an alternative to New York City. Good question. Here we are at the Hoosic River again. And anybody got a fishing pole?
I do not want to go fish.
You didn't bring it.
And I did not want to miss my concert tonight.
You ain't gonna miss it. We'll be back.
Something started to release it.
Will we wait?
Sometimes along this route you might spot a deer down by the water. Sometimes
Yeah.
there might be a bear out there.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Do you have bears here at all?
We have black bears in the area very much. Absolutely.
See there, you know,
I live in Adams, near the foot of Mount Greylock, and we have a couple of families that visit us frequently in the neighborhood. So they're checking out the trash cans and everything else at night. You have to pay attention. You got a bird feeder, you need you to take it in. Don't feed them anymore for a while.
don't worry.
And they're big bears.
Big.
They're big. They're not tiny. Here we are in Southview Cemetery again.
Back to the again.
Quiet people there.
Dead people in that cemetery.
Robert Sprague graduated from Curry High School. There's a lot of history in North Adams and the area. We encourage you to go to the Heritage State Park, which is over by the American Legion, almost where you got on. They have an interesting museum over there, and a display. You can go inside this diorama and experience what it might be like to be in the Hoosic Tunnel when they were building that. And the sound effects, hear the miners talking, cursing, whatever. Also, there's a historical museum there too, small one. We have a large advertisement right outside the
vestibule when you get off the train. It's right there on the fence. So I'll tell you all about that. And I'll tell you, during the period from July to December, we will be running other special trains, like the cafe night on Friday nights, with entertainment. Bring your own edibles, have a good time. In October, have somewhat of a Halloween theme. And then, of course, get into December, we call this machine here the tinsel liner. And Santa Claus always makes an appearance. So we're careful when you're going down the stairs because they are narrow. Take your time. I want to thank you all for coming today. We've enjoyed having everybody on board. We hope we'll see you again and spread the word. Want to have a good time? Come on the Berkshire Scenic Railroad, Hoosic Valley service. Thank you.
I love
Oh, good. The only thing that was, we'll be on time, let's be here, right back at headquarters, get back to town. We shall get some luck. Hey! Back along. And I'll call the show, expect you will get more points. But we get Gleanful and Joe, yeah. When I was Jackie, we're gonna be late for the show. Don't worry, we'll be on time. Don't worry. Glad I didn't wear my tag today. You're gonna wear it next time. Man, I'm always late for the show. We're gonna be there on time before you
We're always on time.
yeah, before the stars are
We're always on time.
Whoa, we gonna do what?
We will be.
Okay, we're gonna make it before the show starts. We don't want to be late. I know, we're gonna be late for this show. After the stars start yelling at us. Wait, where?
There's an apartment building right over here. Formerly it was a Clark Biscuit.
He blew the whistle again.
This building we're coming to is a former Clark Biscuit company. Back in the 1940s, they really gave Nabisco a run for its money. They turned it into apartments. There are 45 apartments in this building now.
Wow.
Wave to that lady out there. She's, hey everybody, we're having a good time.
We're having a ball.
Hey.
We're having a party. Wow. That's some apartments.
Okay, show hands on it. That's really let me get show hands on it and sound so quiet. Hey Jackie, what? What? You want to talk? What? You want to talk about impact control goods? Want to bring that up? No.
You're going on Amtrak.
Okay.
I mean,
Good outing today.
What?
It's a good outing.
What is it?
It's a good outing.
Oh, yes.
We ain't going nowhere. I'm
I'm not even good. I'm not even.
gonna stay put.
Oh, did he?
I got a good time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you hear me all right?
Yes. There's somebody? Yeah.
Did you ever notice what you look like when you get on?
Yeah, they want.
You really sound like.
Anthony and Miller there.
The one that was in the Willowbrook Yep.
Come on, Jackie.
Walk up here.
Oh boy, I'm gonna have to get off. One, two, three. One, two, three. That's it. My ticket time. I'm trying to get on how to get on a plane.
Did good. You did good. Thank you. Thank you very much.